ZW3D WuKong 2027 is equipped with newly added automatic fillet and draft neutral chain modes. The automatic fillet function allows users to generate constant radius fillets with one click for edges on solid bodies and surfaces, effectively enhancing the fillet processing efficiency of complex models. The draft neutral chain mode supports draft configuration at any position on the face, enabling design schemes to better conform to actual machining processes. The automatic fillet function supports unified radius and differentiated radius settings, enabling flexible creation of fillet features for convex and concave edges of models. By selecting solid objects, users can complete batch fillet generation for all convex and concave edges of the model with one click. During operation, users can either pick target edges individually or directly select surfaces. The system will automatically apply fillets to all boundaries of the selected surfaces. The automatic fillet function greatly improves the fillet processing efficiency of complex models and effectively optimizes the modeling workflow and design performance. The draft neutral chain mode delivers an efficient and convenient new solution for draft design. By selecting continuous curves, this mode enables rapid and precise configuration of designated draft faces, which greatly simplifies the operation process. It supports 4 commonly used draft types, including single-sided, symmetrical, neutral plane and asymmetrical, which can be flexibly adopted according to diverse part structures. Its core advantage is that the selected continuous curve chain is always constrained on the draft face or its extended faces, ensuring stable and accurate draft references. For the step face structures of complex injection molded parts, unified drafting of continuous step faces can be quickly completed by selecting continuous contour edges. It also enables efficient drafting for material removal scenarios with intricate edge geometries. Overall, the draft neutral chain mode can substantially improve draft design efficiency and guarantee product design quality.